beautiful family, welcome once again to my channel. Zaz Skincare is the name. Please, if you are stopping by for the first time, please do well to subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Please be part of this family. In today's video, I'm going to make a pro-mixing face cream. This face cream can lighten your skin or whiten your skin tone. Please, if you don't want to whiten your face, don't try this face cream, because this face cream is a pro-mixing whitening. I call it snow white face cream. It will make your face look white. So please stay back. Let's go and pro-mix our face cream together. It's nice and it will give you a glowing, whitening, flawless, succulent face.
Guys, let's start to make this amazing facial cream. Yes, I've used my alcohol base to sanitize all my equipment, my bowl, my spatula, my spoons, and these are the things that I'm going to use to pro-mix this facial cream, this amazing facial cream. I'm using Carotone, I'm using 3, I'm using Nature White facial cream. This Nature White facial cream is a nourishing facial cream, and I'm using Aplivet and Olibat. Guys, I'm using Olibat and Aplivet. Yes, I'll be also using my Pigment Dough serum. Please, this one is a concentrated serum, and I'll be using my aloe vera, please, to calm the face down, to smooth also the face. And I will use my Fair and White Ultimate Go 2 serum. I will use my Clinic Clear. Please, if you can't find the Fair and White, you can use Carotone. Okay, Carotone oil. Yes, and you are way to go. Guys, remember, this facial cream is reposting video. Yes, someone requested and I want to repost it again. I'm using 3 of my Carotone BSC facial cream. I'm using 3 of it. So guys, trust me, this facial cream is a snow white facial cream. It will make your face so white. Yes, a lot of people were asking me questions about it, and this one, someone also requested he want this snow white facial cream, so I want to repost it again. Now we are done with the Carotone BSC facial cream. Now we are going on with the Nature White facial cream. Nature White facial cream, one thing I love about it, it's nourishing the face, it's smoothing the face. Yes, so whilst Carotone is taking care of the dark spot and those things, this one also nourishing and smoothing the face too. So we are using 3 of it too, 3 containers of it too. So I'm scooping all into my bowl, please. Yes, a clean sanitized bowl. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn the notification bell. Please like, share and comment. Remember to like my video, share, and also be part. This is my facial cream, this, and also this is the Nature White facial cream. I've scooped all into it. I'm going to mix it thoroughly. Yes, you have to mix it, let it mix together before you can add in the Aplivet. My next ingredient will be my Aplivet. Aplivet is one of the tubes. It's very good. It will give you 3 shades when you use it continuously. Okay guys, trust me, this facial cream is a snow white facial cream. So I'm just scooping all the Aplivet into the cream. My second Aplivet, yes, I'm adding it to it. Aplivet is one of the best facial tube. It clears all the skin problems on the face. It's very good. Yes, trust me, it's very good. After adding in the 3, my next ingredient will be my Olibat tube. Olibat tube is also one of the triple action cream. It's very good for skin problems. It clears eczema, pimples, dark spots, and so on. So I'm adding in 3 of it too. Guys, please, this video is a reposting video. I'm doing it for someone, so you can watch it out and do it. You can also bring me your testimony after doing it. Don't forget to bring me your testimony. I've added in the Olibat and also the Aplivet. I'm mixing it very well before I can add in the serums and the oils. My next ingredient will be my aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will help to smooth the face and also to calm the face down. So I'm also going to add in 3 tablespoons of my aloe vera gel. 3 tablespoons of my aloe vera gel. Then I'll mix it again before I can add in the serums. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Also turn the notification bell. Please like, share and comment. I'm also going to add in my Clinic Clear oil. Clinic Clear oil is one of also the best. It glows the face, it whitens the face. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoon. My next ingredient is my pigment dough serum. Almighty one. I love it. This serum will give you that yellow purple skin, that yellow purple face. Yes, trust me. I'm adding 1.5 also. And my next ingredient is my Fair and White Ultimate Go-To. Fair and White Ultimate Go-To is a little bit expensive. Yes, in Ghana here it's expensive. So guys, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon also. But one thing I love about this Fair and White, it glows the skin. For that one, tested and trusted. It glows the skin. It's very, very, very good oil or serum. Then you mix it very well. If you don't get the Fair and White, please, you can also add in your carrotone oil. That carrotone oil is also very good. Yes, you can use carrotone oil instead. Then you mix it very well. Look at how our facial cream look like. It look like ice cream. I'm going to scoop all into my containers. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell. Please like, share and comment. Remember, I love you. And trust me, if you want some is also there. You can contact us and get yours. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye.